my dear friends, fragrance lovers. Namaste. Welcome to Raj Reviews, the channel where we will showcase the legacy of Indian incense. Special thanks to all of you for your great motivation and support. I am quite sure that you will have a scintillating journey with these exclusive, honest reviews. Hello, my dear fragrant friends. Welcome back and join me for an incredible journey of unboxing. Quality is an inbuilt trait for many. In incense industry, there are very few companies where quality, class, eminence is a perpetual habit. The quality conscious products excel in the long run and give immeasurable name, fame, and wealth to the creators. Today, we will unbox such a unique, long standing, quality, authentic masala incense product named Vidwan, manufactured by Sarathi International, Bangalore. You will be amazed how this product has become a standard in its class for consumers as well as manufacturers. The nearest word for Vidwan in English is scholar. Truly, this product is a scholar, a pandit, a professor among incense. An old family secret formulation relaunched in 1990s. Vidwan is a 3-decade-old product which has found pan-India market and has added good value to Indian incense export kitty. Vidwan has many variants with different stick size and packing varieties. Today, we will unbox a very popular and unique variant. I call this the 6-inch wonder. Check the dozen box. This wholesale dozen pack literally looks like a luxurious, opulent sweet box. It's cute, it's handy, it's attractive, and is epitome of smart simplicity. The front has a beautiful artistic design in gold foiling against an alluring deep mulberry purple color background. The very famous registered trademark of the company, Tulasi, is at the top against a beige color and a gold border. At the center, the registered product name, Vidwan, is highlighted within a gold ellipse. The backside of the outer has bare information. The registered trademarks, Tulasi at the left and the chariot of Lord Sri Krishna at the center, are highlighted in monotone colors. The product name, in that typical ellipse style, is printed at the center. Below the product name, a small explanation of the meaning of Vidwan and the premium incense blend pattern is mentioned for the benefit of consumer. On one side of the box, the product name in 6 languages is printed. At the left, you can notice the registered numbers of 4 of the company's words. This shows that the manufacturers has ample protection from duplicators. At the right, the directions of usage and the safety warning is printed. Check the bottom line where the company claims that the product is handmade, no child labor, not tested on animals, non-toxic, and alcohol free. On the other side of the box, the company details and the dozen pack selling details are printed. The dozen packs barcode with customer care details is at the left side. This company has been formally registered in 1945. That's a good 75 years of phenomenal presence catering to incense industry. It's indeed an achievement in itself. Both the side flaps highlight and carry the same Tulasi and Vidwan words. This laminated box has a typical authentic Indian look and airs a view as a standard premium product. The outer doesn't carry any smell of the incense inside. Shows that the contents are packed airtight. The outer box opens from the sides. The flap reveals 12 retail boxes tightly placed inside. Even on opening the outer, there is zero smell of the incense. Let's check the retail pack. The retail pack is having the same theme, same pattern, and the same components as of the outer. There is a complete parity and uniformity from the outer wholesale box to the inner retail pack. One can say it's same to same. It's really a different feeling to hold this sturdy 6.5-inch box. It reminds a pen or a shortened pencil box. This retail pack contains 15 incense sticks and is priced at MRP 30 rupees. An interesting observation is that one can't detect any smell of the incense even on this retail pack. Let me open the pack and check the contents. Inside, we have a 1.5 by 8-inch thick gauge, unsealed, milky white printed PP cover. The cover is printed with the trademark name Tulasi in gold. Now one can notice a faint smell on the cover. Inside the cover, we have 15 medium thick 5.5-inch incense sticks. These light wood colored incense sticks are neatly hand rolled on round bamboo and has impeccable finish. The 1/4 inch holding part of the incense is uncolored and the top masala powder or nurwa doesn't stick to your hands. The top note is delicate, mild, and old masala type. One can notice vanilla, patchouli, halmadi notes blended to give a moderate, warm top note. Let's light one of these 5.5-inch stick. The sticks burn with decent smoke. The smell is very different from the normal ones. It's non-hitting, smooth, calming, pleasant, woody, sweet, almondy with vanilla, musky and floral nuances. It has decent spread and lingering considering its thickness. Normally, Flora Batis are quite thick, smoky, and throw lot of smoke. But Vidwan beats the street without any of these parameters. These sticks burn anywhere between 25 to 30 minutes. To reiterate, one can say this Vidwan is a 6-inch wonder. Friends, that was Sarathi International's unique Vidwan Premium Incense Sticks for you. Thanks for watching and hope all of you enjoyed the unboxing and the insights. Please stay connected with us. Together, let's showcase great incense products from India. Take care. Have a great day. Jai Hind.